Hello guys, there we have a Motorola Moto E6S, and today I will tell you a few things to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on this device. So I'm always starting from there, just simply reset the Bluetooth connection. To do it, just open the settings on your device and go to the connected devices. Now choose connected preferences and choose Bluetooth. Now by this little switcher you can reset the Bluetooth. If you still don't have your device on your Bluetooth list, just try to change the name of your device to give some Bluetooth refresh settings. The next way is just reset your phone and reset your Bluetooth accessory. To do it, just hold the power button and choose restart. After it, you can look for your device again on the Bluetooth list. The next way to try to fix it is we have to open the settings and go to the system. Now go to the advanced and choose reset options. Now click reset Wi-Fi mobile and Bluetooth and reset settings. Now we have to confirm our pattern and click reset settings again. Now the Bluetooth settings should be resetted and you can try to find your device again. One more recommendation from me is that to check that is your device, Bluetooth device is visible for your phone, and how to enable a pair mode. You can find it in the manual instructions. The next way to do, we have to try to update your system. Just check for your system updates, and if you have any, install it. And the last thing, I'm always checking that is a problem with my phone or my Bluetooth accessory by checking it on the other device. So check your phone and check your Bluetooth device on the other stuff like a laptop to check that is problem with your phone or maybe with your Bluetooth accessory. And that's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscriber, comment, and good luck.